Hi everyone. In this AutoCAD, you can see that the layout model tab is not showing. So how to bring back layout tab in AutoCAD? We have to type here layout tab, then enter. After that, we have to change the value 0 to 1. Type here 1, enter. And now you can see that the model and layout tab is showing in my screen. So this is a layout. So after this, we have to type here CUI and then enter. And this is customize user interface. And here we have to click on drafting and annotation. And under properties, make sure that your model layout tab should be on. Click on then apply and OK. So in this way we can restore layout tab in AutoCAD.